Yes, I'm Quentin, serving as a secretary of Chengdu chapter. Here I'm going to report the activity of Chengdu chapter this year. Okay, let's move on. We have three parts to report. The first one is the introduction of Chengdu chapter. First of all, let me briefly introduce the city. Chengdu is the capital and the political center of Sichuan province. It has more than 21 million population. It's a mega city. The population rank number 4 in China. Furthermore, it's a science and technology center of Sichuan of Southwest China. Given the title of Chinese-based terrorist city and the world's food capital by United Nations Organization. Let's move back to our chapter. We established on April 26, 2018, serving universities, research institutions, and enterprises in Chengdu, such as game, XR, and medical engineering integration. We have held 4 chapter events in last year. Period. The first one is a new digital economy seminar between university and enterprise industry education integration. Our conference is to explore depth, new model, and paths for integration of industry and education. The highlight is we invite cross-field experts to share projects. It sparked some interesting discussion, not only from game animation field. We also invite a voice actor, AI pioneer, technology transfer team, and self-media teacher to come around the table. Especially one member from the West China Hospital, which is a top famous hospital in China. The Dr. Wang is a surgical doctor who has sharing what have learned in past SIGGRAPH in LA and some CV technology, how to help them in surgical clinic and teaching, such as VR spine surgery, multimodal reconstruction, CT. We also invite the hospital doctor to share their project in SIGGRAPH Tokyo. And at the same time, we have promoted 11 new members in Chengdu. The second part is co-organize the 14th National Art Exhibition of Comics Illustration in Chengdu. The third is a lecture of storytelling and listening to stories in computer graphics. We invite Rick to campus and hold a lecture. The purpose of this lecture is to share the innovation application of CG in storytelling, as well as how to use this technology to bring audience a richer and more immersive viewing experience. Okay, thanks for Rick's sharing again. The fourth is China International College Student Innovation Competition was successfully held. The highlight thing is it has been granted 7 authorized patents and has published over 10 papers publicly. At the same time, professors from the College of Leeds and Sichuan Agricultural University, as well as industry experts from Nation Lightning, were invited to provide technical guidance. The last part is work plan for 2025. We will continue to promote SM and SMC SIGGRAPH to make the brand more loudly in the West China and to build more network. Number 2 is promote the integration of CG and AI emerging technology to industry education to serve the local economy. Especially, we especially have to focus on the medical engineering, such as a hospital corporation with a local team. And the third is organized CG-related competition, and so on. One more thing, we have 6 members are intended on attending the SIGGRAPH meeting in Tokyo. Okay. And that's all. Welcome to Chengdu and see you in Tokyo.